Now this is the Moto G Power 2025. I have a pattern over here. If you have password, fingerprint, PIN, and for whatever reason you forgot how to unlock the phone, then watch this video because I will show you step by step how to perform hard reset for the Moto G Power 2025. And this is Verizon stick, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't and give me a thumbs up. Without any further ado, let's find out. Now, two quick disclaimers before we start. Doing hard reset means we're doing factory reset. You're gonna lose all the information. Now, once the factory reset or the hard reset is complete, you are required to use the same Gmail account that was already synced to your device. And now let's kick off with the hard reset steps. First of all, you need to shut the phone off. Now the Moto G Power 2025, unfortunately, if you're trying to shut the phone off by pressing power and volume up and go press on the power key, it's not gonna let you turn the phone completely off. So instead of this, we will need to do the following. We need to press the same keys, but we need to press and hold for 8 to 9 seconds. And then after the 9 seconds, you can count to 9. Immediately remove your finger from the volume up and the power and press again on the volume down and the power key at the same time. We'll go ahead and do this together. Now, let's go ahead and do it. So we're going to press first power and volume up together for 9 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and immediately volume down and power. Now, as you guys can see, we have another menu and we have to navigate through the volume down and the volume up. We need to press volume down and go to recovery mode, as you guys see. Now, to select recovery mode, we need to press the power key, and that's going to be the select button. The phone will take a few seconds and we will be back on no command screen. Now this is no command screen. At this point you just need to press first power and immediately volume up. Then power, volume up, but immediately power, volume up, and release on both. And then we're gonna have the recovery menu. As you guys can see, we can close up a little bit. We have reboot system. Now we have a bunch of options, but all we have to do, select and navigate through the volume down and go to wipe data factory reset. Now to select this option, press the power key and then press volume down and highlight factory data reset, and again press on the power key, and then we're going to receive a message says reboot system. Now the phone is already formatting. Go ahead and press reboot system. Now allow your phone up to 5 minutes to complete the process and your phone will be new as the first day you purchase the device. Remember that you are required to use the same Gmail and the same password that was previously synced to your Moto device. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, thumbs up, subscribe. Talk to you in another video.